Hello children, I am Priya Tripathi, your English teacher. I hope you all are well at home. Today in English, we'll discuss about adjectives. So let's start. Here is the basic definition of adjectives. You all can go through it. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives make our language beautiful. Here is a point we use adjective before noun and after verb. Example, here in this sentence, blue is an adjective. It's given, I have a blue car, which comes after verb, that is have, and before noun, that is car. When we talk about adjectives, then such words which are answering the questions like which kind, which one, how many, how much, they are surely adjectives. Let's see. The boy is of good kind. Which kind? Good kind. The father who is happy. Which father? The father who is happy. The girls are 7. How many? 7. The amount is 20 rupees. How much? 20 rupees. Let's see the other slide. Here are types of adjectives. You can go through it. So let's discuss it one by one. First of all, adjective of quality. Words which describe the quality of a noun or pronoun are called adjective of quality. It answers the question of what kind. Examples are given here. I have a beautiful house. Which kind of? Beautiful kind. She has a red dress. Which kind of? Red kind of. They are honest employees. Which kind? Honest kind. Let's see the next one. Adjective of quantity. Words which describe the quantity of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quantity. An adjective which answers for how much is an adjective of quantity. Means we are talking about amount. That is much, some, little, enough, half, sufficient, etc. are used as adjective of quantity. Examples are given here. We didn't earn much profit this year. She had enough money for the entire family. Means such kind of things are not countable nouns. So we are denoting it with such words. Now next one is proper adjective. Proper adjectives are formed from a proper noun. Like India, Indian. Buddha, Buddhist. Ireland, Irish. Britain, British. Examples are given. We are Indians. Buddhist monks sit with folded palms. Let's see the other one. Adjective of number. It expresses the definite quantity of noun, or in other words, it tells us exact number of something. Adjective of number is subdivided into two types. They are definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives, they have two kinds. It has two kinds. First one is cardinals, second one is ordinals. Let's say it. Definite numeral adjectives are again subdivided into two types. They are cardinals. It denotes how many. That is 1, 2, 3. For example, there are 45 students in our class. Students are countable noun. Means easily we can count them. So they are cardinals. Another one is ordinals. It denotes order of things in a series, that is first, second, third, etc. For example, Ravi is first rank holder in the class. Now let's see the next one. Indefinite numeral adjectives, where numeral adjectives are indefinite, means it is not sure. It doesn't denote an exact number of a person or thing. Words such as many, how many, we don't know. Some, but how much, we don't know. Much, little, few, several, none, means we don't know the exact number. So they are used as indefinite numeral adjective. Examples are given here. Many employees attended the meeting, but how many exactly, we don't know. There are several shops in the market, but how many, we don't know. Let's see the next one. Demonstrative adjective. The adjective that points out a person, thing, or animal is called demonstrative adjectives. Words such as this, that, these, those, etc. are used with as demonstrative adjective. Example, this is my book, these shirts are white. So the words these and these, they both are demonstrative adjective because they are demonstrating the book and shirt. Now, distributive adjective. An adjective used to refer to each and every person, thing separately is called distributive adjective. Means you want to tell everyone to do something but separately, so we are using it like each, every, either, neither, anyone, both, etc. Example, each boy took the test. We have taken everyone separately, but we are talking about all the boys in the class. Every nation is proud of its culture. We are talking here about all the nations, right? Let's see the next one, interrogative adjective. A word that modifies a noun by asking a question is called interrogative adjectives. That is, what, which, whose, where, when, etc. Examples are given. What is your name? Whose bag is this? So such kind of words, they are WH words, are interrogative adjectives. Now possessive adjective. As you can understand the meaning by its name, possessive means it's showing possession. These adjectives modify a noun by showing a form of a possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. That is, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, mine, etc. Examples are given. This wallet is mine means we are showing our possession. We begin our work at noon means whose work? Our work. Let's see the next slide. Degree of comparison. As you know, adjectives, they have degree of comparison. One is positive, another is comparative, and third one is superlative. When we don't have to compare, then we are using positive degree. When we have to compare two things, then we are using comparative degree. And when we are not comparing, but we are showing that this person is the super one, means it does not have any comparison to anyone, then we are using superlative degree. Let's say it. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when there is no comparison. Example is given, a rich person. Simply, we are saying that the person is rich. We are not comparing with anyone. Second one is comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns, pronouns. Example, a bus is bigger than a car. Here we are comparing two things, bus and car. That bus is bigger than a car. Now third one is superlative degree. An adjective is in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns, pronouns. We use the article the before the superlative degrees. It makes comparison of one thing to many other things. Like Ravi is the tallest boy of his class. That means no one is that much tall the way Ravi is. So these are the uses of it. Let's see the next slide. Here are some examples. You can go through it and you can learn it. The more you will learn, the more you will understand. Examples are continued here. Here also, you can see some adjectives are there where we cannot use ER or EST. So, at the place of these things, we can use more and most. Like active, more active, most active. You can go through it. Let's see the next slide. Here are also given examples only, so you can go through it and you can learn it. Here is the assignment now. Very easy assignment. I hope you all have understood the chapter nicely and you will be able to solve this exercise. So solve it and stay at home safely. Thank you.